some SOCOM, dude.
Fuck SOCOM. This game sucks.
You used to play it every fucking day. Now you don't play it because you're a bitch.
Because it sucks.
Like sometimes I play it and like don't point the camera at me. Sometimes I play it and like my brain feels fried.
This game fucks you
Stop
up.
pointing the fucking camera at me. I'm not fucking Leonardo DiCaprio.
You wish you were. You get to fuck Rose.
Dude, I want to fuck a fat British chick.
Dude, she's hot.
She's very pretty, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, fucking Breach? Fucking hate Breach. Urban Wasteland. Let me fucking show you an Urban Wasteland.
Dude, this game fucking sucks. Why are we doing this?
My toilet. You're the one filming it. I didn't ask you to film it.
Because you got a new camera. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Just watch you play this bullshit game?
So stupid.
Because this game sucks. And everyone plays fucking Modern Warfare. This game sucks.
Even more.
I know. Fucking knife you from 50 feet away. How about that?
Dude, I'll fucking knife you from fucking 100 feet away. By throwing it.
Can't throw shit. You throw like fucking Phillip Rivers. Phillip Rivers and...
Rivers is a douchebag.
He looks like a douchebag. He has a douchebag face.
Oh shit. Doorbell. Fuck. Fucking 2 in the morning and people are fucking ringing the doorbell.
Because everyone loves you. Who is it?
What's up with all these
Like people on SOCOM.
Oh shit. I go out there like I was a real G.
Dude, you would've got fucked up.
Is that it?
Oh, dude, game's on. Are you serious again? You probably have a stalker or something. Fucking bells.
Shit. Dude, hold on.
Someone's trying to kill you.
Here, give me the camera.
Dude, there's nothing out here. Just go back inside and play your gay ass game.
The fuck is that? Get inside.
What was it? What'd you see? Did you film that shit?
Yeah. Shit.
Dude, are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck was that?
I don't even know, dude. I don't know. Fuck,
Dude, what the fuck are we gonna do?
I don't know. That guy's fucking crazy. Did you see him?
Yeah, dude, it was fucking creepy as fuck. Did you lock the back door?
Shit.